Ini adalah member kelas 4, 5, and 6 graders. Okay? From you are?
Hello friends, nice to meet you. My name is Kina Alicia Saki and my nickname is Saki.
Hello friends, my name is Aisyah Sakira. My nickname is Aisyah. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Aisha Shifa. My nickname is Aisha. See you. Hello friends, my name is Ratu Balkis Sumaira. You can call me Ratu. Nice to meet you.
Hello friends, my name is Halima Dirasa Putri. My nickname is Halima. Nice to meet you.
Hello friends, my name is Queen Amira Noya Manrofa. My nickname is Queen. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Mutiwa Sakira Panda. My nickname is
My name is Adriana Garapanda and my nickname is Adila. Smile. My name is Shakira Anwar. You can call me Adiba.
Buatkan suaranya.
Hello friend, my name is Hanifah Shakira Alicia. My nickname is Hanifah. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Ratu Balkis Muntas. You can call me Balkis. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Sabina. My nickname is Nazila. See you. Hello friends, my name is Pina Kurniawan. My nickname is Pina. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Gina Sabato. My nickname is Gina. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Naila Colin. My nickname is Habiba. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Nakia Kunaliski. My nickname is Nakia. See you. Hello friends, my name is Hawa. My nickname is Hawa. Nice to meet you. Hello friends, my name is Ifra Namaji. My nickname is Zizi. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Ashifa Malaika. My nickname is Ashifa. Thank you. Hi, my name is Sarah Amiraman. My nickname is Zahra. See you. Hello friends, my name is Aulia Shakira Ramadan. You can call me Aulia. See you. Hello everyone, my name is Rasha Nisa Alika. You can call me Nadia. Bye everyone.
Hello friends, my name is Muhammad Altaf Jures. You can call me Altaf. Nice to meet you.
Hello friend, my name is Muhammad Ibnu Riana Rizka. My name is Ibnu. Thank you. Hello my friend, my name is Azan Buanira. My nickname is Azan. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Zaki Ara Ramadan. You can call me Zaki. Nice to meet you.
Saya berhasil kalian Muhammad Haikal. My nickname is Haikal. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.